Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Are you ready for another move to earn video today? As you may follow, the Steppen project recently received massive hype 300x in less than a month. Now if you haven't watched that video, you better subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so that you won't be missing any more chances to make high profits. As we always say, blockchain is the king. Otherwise, how would you earn money by just walking or running? Unless you are a professional athlete, there is no way that you can make money by casually walking around. And we will have a video soon regarding how much money we can earn from the Steppen app by walking only 10 minutes. But now, let's talk about our new project, the Step app, another move to earn application that rewards its users for their physical activities like running or walking. Now, these fitness finance projects achieved popularity in the fitness community due to their high profit rates. And there will be only a limited amount of tokens available, which makes the token more valuable. Imagine making $100 a day by walking to a grocery store or running with your dog. There are currently 72,834 users are signed in and waiting for the pre-sale. We need to buy one of these NFT shoes you see on the screen, and you can upgrade these shoes to earn more and sell them in the marketplace. The beta launch for the marketplace will be at the end of the second quarter, and the mainnet launch will be at some point the third quarter. We can participate in this pre-sale by signing up to DeoMaker, completing the Know Your Customer phase, and connecting our MetaMask wallet. Now, if you don't know how to open a MetaMask wallet, don't worry, I will drop the tutorial link under this video. After signing up and connecting our wallet, we need to click on the Participate button. Now, there are two ways of participating. There is a premium round and public round. On the first option, you can stake a minimum of 2,000 DEO tokens to participate in the pre-sale. But DEO's current price is about $2.7, so maybe the second option is better for you if you don't have any DEO tokens. To participate in the second option, we need to hold any token or coin that would be worth more than $2,500. Those who win after the participation period is over will be able to purchase up to $500 worth of FitFi tokens. You can sell these tokens or stake them in the Step app ecosystem to earn additional rewards. You can use the links below this video to participate in the pre-sale and learn how to open a MetaMask wallet. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our video. If you want to find more about the upcoming news and new chances to make high profits, click on the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and follow our other social media accounts. Well, good luck folks. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.